Hello everyone. Today I am going to tell exponents of real numbers. For example, 64 whole to the power of 1 by 2. Here base is 64 and exponent is 1 by 2. So 64 we can write as 2 to the power of 6 or 4 cube or 8 square. But here we are taking 8 square because in the power the denominator is 2. So we should take 8 square here. So instead of 64, first write 8 square whole to the power of 1 by 2. That is equal to 8 square into 1 by 2 because a to the power of m whole to the power of n is equal to a to the power of mn. That is equal to cancel this 2 and 2, then 8 to the power of 1, that is 8. Next example is 16 to the power of 3 by 2. Here base is 16 and power is 3 by 2. So 16 we can write as 2 to the power of 4 or 4 square. But here we are taking 4 square because in the exponent the denominator is 2. So take 4 square here. So 16 whole to the power of 3 by 2 we can write as 4 square whole to the power of 3 by 2. This is in the form of a to the power of m whole to the power of n. So 4 square into 3 by 2. Cancel 2, then that is equal to 4 cube. So 4 cube is 64. Third example is 125 whole to the power of minus 1 by 3. So here the power is negative number. So 125 we can write as 5 cube whole to the power of minus 1 by 3. This is in the form of a to the power of m whole to the power of m, that is equal to a to the power of mn. So 5 cube into minus 1 by 3, cancel 3 and 3 here, that is equal to 5 to the power of minus 1. So 5 to the power of minus 1 again we can write as 1 by 5 to the power of 1 because a to the power of minus m is equal to 1 by a to the power of m, that is equal to 1 by 5. Next example, 64 by 25 whole to the power of minus 3 by 2. Here the base is in the form of fraction. So first to convert this base into an exponential form. 64 we can write as 8 square because in the exponent the denominator is 2. By 25 we can write as 5 square whole to the power of minus 3 by 2. Here this is in the form of a by b whole to the power of m. So a by b whole to the power of m is equal to, we can write as a to the power of m by b to the power of m. So write 8 to the power of 2 into minus 3 by 2 by 5 square into minus 3 by 2. So cancel this 2 and here also 2. Then this is equal to 8 to the power of minus 3 by 5 to the power of minus 3. So again a to the power of minus m is equal to 1 by a to the power of m. So 8 to the power of minus 3 we can write as 1 by 8 cube into, here 1 by 5 cube means 5 cube by 1 into 5 cube by 1. So 5 cube is 125 by 8 cube is 512. This is fifth example, cube root of 125 whole square. So cube root of 125 is the base. So first write the base like this, 125 whole to the power of 1 by 3. See in this table, square root of a we can write as a to the power of 1 by 2. Cube root of a is equal to a to the power of 1 by 3. And fourth root of a is equal to a to the power of 1 by 4. And square root of a cube is equal to a to the power of 3 by 2. So here cube root of 125 we can write as 125 whole to the power of 1 by 3 whole square. So 125 we can again write in the exponential form, that is 5 cube whole to the power of again 1 by 3 whole square. So a to the power of m whole to the power of n is equal to a to the power of mn. So 5 cube into 1 by 3, cancel 3, then that is equal to 5 square. So 5 square is 25. Now do these problems. So first one is 125 whole to the power of 1 by 3, answer is 5, and 64 whole to the power of 1 by 6, answer is 2, and next one 27 whole to the power of 2 by 3, answer is 9, and fourth one is 125 by 27 whole to the power of minus 2 by 3, the answer is 9 by 25, and fifth one is fifth root of 32, the answer here is 2, and sixth one is cube root of 125 whole to the power of minus 2, the answer here is 1 by 25, and seventh one square root of 10 by square root of 20 whole to the power of minus 2. So here answer is 2.